Have a go at this question here, which is a typical question you would find on a GCSE examination in mathematics. What is the fractional value of the digit 6 in the number 31.564? Have a go at this yourself, and I'll show the solution on the next slide. We've been given 31.564. The first thing I'll do, I'll spread the digits out as you can see in front of you. You can regard each figure as being in a column that has a value. So I'm writing the values out as you can see. And we start here at a column that's worth 10. This column is worth units. This one is worth tenths. This one is worth 100ths. And this one is worth 1,000ths. We look to the column that has the digit 6 and we can see it in the 100ths column. So we have 6 lots of 100ths, and of course that can be written out as 6 over 100. We can cancel this fraction down because 6 and 100 both share a factor of 2. So I can divide the 6 and the 100 by 2. Of course, you can show this as follows: 6 divided by 2 all over 100 divided by 2. And naturally, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So we can see the digit 6 has a fractional value of 3/50ths.